Hi friends, I'm Dilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to pin a post on your Tumblr application. It's important for post, or it may be a featured post on your Tumblr account. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to pin the post on your Tumblr application is going to show in this video. Here I just posted a total of 3 to 4 posts here. So I just need to pin a particular post. For an example, just want to pin this particular notes like hi. So click on this three dot option. Now you have this first option called pin the post. Click on this. So this will appear on the top of your block and replace any previous pinned post or you show. Yes, I just going to pin this. Now I just going to refresh my page. So after refreshing, you can see the pinned post has been pinned. So I just can replace the any other post. I'm just going to click on this three dot option again and click on the pin post. So after pinning it, just going to refresh this. Okay. So you can see the pinned post has been replaced and the previously pinned post has got to the bottom. So this is how you just pin the post on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.